The French Pearl was created by bartender Audrey Saunders in 2006 for her bar, the Pegu Club. It is basically a South Side that's been Frenchified with Pernod. Because this cocktail was created in 2006 and the ban on absinthe wasn't lifted until 2007, I'm assuming that the original was created with the Pernod pastis, and so that's what we're gonna be using. Just keep that in mind because that is a tad more sugar and it's lower in proof than its absinthe counterpart. But if you want to use absinthe for this cocktail, you absolutely can do that and it will work great. So let's grab a tin. So first things first, we're gonna do 6 to 10 mint leaves and just give that a light muddle, just pressing out the oils. And we are gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. And then we're gonna do 1/4 of an ounce of our Pernod pastis. And then 2 ounces of your favorite London dry gin. Grab our chilled cocktail glass here. I'm gonna give it a strain. And you have this nice pale, like ethereal green color because you have the pastis in there, which louches, it turns cloudy. And then to garnish, we're just gonna take a little mint leaf here, give it a slap, and put it on top like so. So here it is, the French Pearl. All right, let's give it a sip. I mean, you get all the benefits of the South Side. You get the mint, the lime, the simple syrup. We know that that goes really nicely with gin. All the botanicals are playing together, the fresh mint, the botanicals and the gin. 100% awesome. Magnifique, I love it. But the added extra element in this cocktail is the pastis, which gives it that nice anise flavor. And I gotta tell you guys, I'm not a fan of anise just on its own. I can't eat black licorice. I really don't like that anise flavor. But when paired with other flavors like gin and the botanicals inside the gin, fresh mint, things like that, lime, I think that that flavor profile really sings. It gives a nice silver lining to the cocktail, if you will. So here it is, the French Pearl.